video. This morning we are resealing an escutcheon plate on a fiberglass pool. That's the plate that goes around the front here. We've undone all of the screws and had to go for a big fatter drill bit there to get all of them out. We've got this off. Now that is supposed to be siliconed in place and sealed. That's how it came off. There was just a little bit of loose silicone there on it, but as you can see there, just an absolute gap. And of course the water's been pouring out of there and they've been losing water. So this needs to be sealed up. What we'll be doing is sealing here and all of these holes right the way around so that the customer gets a proper seal. But that's just been missed on installation. I've either run out of silicone or not done it, and this pool has always leaked. So here's another one for a repair. But that's what's underneath the escutcheon plate where your skimmer box is on a fiberglass pool, and it is just the stainless steel screws going through the wall here sealing up is what seals it.